Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making date delights. For this recipe, you will need 1.5 cup of dates, half a cup of chopped almonds, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 1/4 cup of chopped pistachio, and 1/4 cup of coconut. We are going to start off by removing the seeds from the dates, and we're going to chop all of the dates together. This recipe is very delicious and very simple to make. Now in a pan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. After that, we're going to add our dates. Make sure the flame is on a low setting. We do not want to burn or overheat the dates. After 1 or 2 minutes, you will see the dates will start to warm up. Once the dates start to heat up, you're going to grab your spatula and lightly mash the dates. We're looking for a nice, smooth consistency. Once you have a smooth consistency, you're going to turn off the flame and we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. We're going to add our pistachios. Make sure to save 2 tablespoons at the end for garnish. Add the almonds, and we're going to add the poppy seeds. Now mix everything until incorporated. After this, you're going to take a piece of aluminum foil and lay it onto your countertop. I'm going to add some coconut and also the rest of the pistachio. Now you will put the date mixture onto the aluminum foil. I'm going to slowly start to flatten the dates out. We're looking for a rectangular shape. After you're happy with your shape, we're going to turn the aluminum foil to the side and slowly start to roll our dates. The mixture is a bit sticky, but just allow the aluminum foil to guide you. After you have your roll, we're going to sprinkle a little bit more of the coconut onto it. Now, since the date mixture is very soft, we're going to allow it to cool. So we're going to take the same aluminum foil, roll over the date mixture, and place it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. After a couple of hours, you can see the date mixture really came together and is now more firm than before. We're going to start to unroll it and cut little pieces. Once again, I would like to give a big thank you to all of my subscribers for subscribing, for liking my videos, and for commenting. Please do try this recipe out as well. It's very, very simple, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Also, do share this recipe with your friends and family. It makes a great sweet treat. If you enjoyed this video today, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.